everybody, it's Kevin. How you doing? I'm making these fun little kayak videos lately. No one's really watching, but hey, I'm having a good time at doing it. Anyway, so basically what I'm doing now is I'm coming up with two different mounts for my kayak. One is going to be on the stern and one's going to be on the middle of the boat, so I have two backward facing cameras. I'm going to show you how I did it with the rear coming up first. So check out how I mounted the rear facing camera mount and how I created a tether strap so I don't lose my camera. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken a GoPro mount. I'm using the glue mount put on the back of my kayak. The idea is that the GoPro is going to face backwards and it's going to be recording just wild video as I'm kayaking. So there's a couple things I've done. I've taken some Venetian blind cord. I've gotten a electrical grommet, so I was able to feed the rope through the grommet, burn the ends and put tape around it, and just create a loop on the back end and tape this. So what happens now is the GoPro mounts just like that, and this slides through, and you tighten this down, and then you take your carabiner and you carabiner this off to the kayak itself. So now if something comes and hits this or rips this off or whatever, this should save it. What I'm going to also do with this particular GoPro, because this is on the back of the kayak and this is exposed, I'm going to take a little bit of fishing line from the back door and just attach that to this as well. So in case this goes, this doesn't go as well. So that's basically how I did that, with a little bit of a Venetian blind cord, an electrical connector, and some tape. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that I did crimp that as well. Alright, so I just showed you how I created the stern mount for my kayak. Next thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you the mid-range mount that I made for my kayak. This consists of some D-bolts, some screws, some locking nuts, and the GoPro vented helmet strap. You're going to see how that's made in a second. I'm also going to re-show you why a tether system is important when you are putting the camera onto that system. Okay, so one of the things I wanted to do too is I wanted to put a forward or reverse mounted GoPro mount on the front of my kayak. To do that, I bought some D mounts at Lowe's. So it was the only place I could find the low profile D mounts. I know I shouldn't have done this, but I drilled into my kayak and then put reverse locking nuts on the back of it so this doesn't move. Then I got the helmet, the vented helmet strap from GoPro. So basically I just pulled it tight and then put this on, and then using the newly formed strap that I made, the camera slides in, the strap goes in like this, if I can get it. And basically I have a reverse profile shot of me when I'm kayaking. So now I have the POV shot going forward. And I also tied this off to a carabiner. Everything except the GoPro hardware from GoPro was silver, so I did spray paint this black. So there are some painting things you have to do to it. So now I have two cameras. One is one off the back of the kayak, and two is reverse facing, so you can see me when I'm paddling. Alright, so that kind of wraps up that project to show you how I created a stern mount for my GoPro for the back of my kayak, and how I use a D-mount clip and some screws and some GoPro hardware to create a middle third mount so I can reverse shoot or shoot going forward. Anyway, if you like my videos, go ahead and subscribe. I think I have like 3 people following me. I really don't know what to say. I just do this because it's fun. It is what it is. Anyway, enjoy. Thanks. Bye.